Hi, my name is Philip Zamora. I'm the owner here at Trusted Hearing Center in Georgetown, Texas. I wanted to take today to introduce you to our new cleaning products and maintenance products that we have here in the clinic. Here we have a large selection of cleaning and maintenance products. We'll start at the end here. One of my favorites, this is natural almond oil extract, and it's a lubricant for any ear molds or domes that you might use with your hearing aids. Typically when they're new domes, you'll have some itching and irritation, and you might have some trouble getting the dome inside of your ear. So this is a good way to help get the domes inside and prevent any kind of itching or irritation. It's a pretty big bottle too, only $9, and it'll last a good 3 to 4 months as well. We do have a range of sprays. These sprays can be sprayed on a dry cloth and used to clean the hearing aids. We suggest cleaning the hearing aids once a week at home to prevent any kind of earwax buildup. Or we have the packaged wipes here. So they're individually packaged, and I'll open our kit up and show you. So you don't want to use any alcohol on the hearing aids at all. You want to prevent any kind of erosion of the hearing aid itself. In our pack here, we have our starter kit. Actually comes with every hearing aid purchase, and it will have individually wrapped wipes here. This is a very big wipe, so it'll unfold, and you're able to wipe down 2 hearing aids at a time with it. So we suggest using this about once a week to wipe down the hearing aids, prevent any earwax buildup. That'll just make sure that your hearing aids will continue to work. It also comes in this very cool travel case, and it comes with some ear lotion. It's a little bit different from the almond oil extract. This gel is very, very good for people that haven't worn hearing aids before, may experience some irritation when first wearing the hearing aids or putting the domes in the hearing aids, or have trouble putting the hearing aids in. It's like a lotion. It's made to go inside of the ear, so very good for first-time users as well. So that's our starter kit here. If you didn't purchase here, you can still purchase these. They're $25. It'll come with 60 hearing aid wipes and then the ear gel as well. We do have some other wipes. These are a little bit of the same, but they're from Phonak, and they're just individually wrapped maintenance cleaning wipes as well. They do come in the canister. They're not individually wrapped, but they can still be used the same way. And then of course, if you do live in Texas, you sweat in the hearing aids, or you just want to make sure that you have something just in case the hearing aids get wet. This dehumidifier is an electronic one, and it can be used at any point in time or even every day. It'll heat up the hearing aids and then cool them off, and it also has a UV light to get rid of any bacteria that you have on the hearing aids as well. Just good daily maintenance for those hearing aids. And then of course we carry earwax removal kits, so some drops to help break down the earwax, and then you'll have a little bulb in there that's going to be used to flush out the rest of it. If you purchase here, or even if you haven't, you're looking for products to help keep your hearing aids working and maintained, we have all of these products online that you can purchase. It can be shipped directly to you. We even have subscriptions that you can use to have them shipped directly to you each month. If you have any questions for me about any of these products, just email us or give us a call. And of course, if you need your hearing aids cleaned and checked, we do that every 3 to 4 months, whether you purchase from us or not, and that is completely free to you. Just give us a call, 512-357-8000. We are in Cedro Crossing here near Sun City, Texas. Thank you so much.